Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the Rubbermaid Brilliance Bpa-Free food storage containers with lids. They've received 4.7 out of 5 stars, have over 85,000 ratings, and it's an Amazon Choice product. Elevate your kitchen organization with Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers with lids. Designed for the modern home, these crystal clear, stain-resistant containers are as beautiful as they are functional. Engineered for superior food preservation, they create an airtight seal that keeps your food fresh longer, whether it's in the pantry, fridge, or on the go. The innovative design is 100% leak proof, making them perfect for everything from meal prep to storing leftovers without any mess or spills. Stackable for easy storage and safe for the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, these containers are the all in one solution that fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. Say goodbye to discolored, flimsy containers and step into the durability, clarity, and performance of Rubbermaid Brilliance. Ideal for anyone who values convenience without sacrificing quality. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.